Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7i Power and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to this icon with M letter from manual. And here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let's start with this settings bar. Let me go from the right. The first one option we can add just here is the white balance. So the temperature of our picture, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So we can pick type of lights here, from incandescent to fluorescent, daylight to cloudy light. And as you can see, this is kind of balance between the cold blue tones of our picture and warm orange. And we can easily go back to auto settings by simply sliding to the beginning of this slider. Now let's move to the second option, the exposure compensation. Here we can manage the light of our picture, and by using this slider we can make our photo more bright when we move to the right side, and when we move to the left we can make it more dark. To go back to auto exposure compensation we have to simply slide to the center of this slider. Now let's move to the next one option, the ISO. Here we can change camera sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive to 1 in 6,000 of it. So I think this spectrum is really enough, like this type of camera. And of course, to go back to auto ISO there's no problem. We have to simply slide to the left to the beginning of the slider. And here I want to show that when we adjust all of these parameters manually, we don't have to separately go back to the auto settings. We can also do it by this reset button from the left. So now they all have been resetted to the default parameters and we can start using them from the beginning. So let me start to take a picture. Maybe let me pick fluorescent light, a little bit brighter and a little more sensitive. To see my photo, let's move to the right corner to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.